The nervous system is your body's command center. It controls everything you do, from thinking and feeling to breathing and moving. Imagine it as a super-fast communication network that keeps your body running smoothly. This intricate system uses electrical and chemical signals to send messages throughout your body. The nervous system is responsible for your senses, allowing you to experience the world around you. It also controls your muscles, enabling you to move your body. Without your nervous system, you wouldn't be able to think, feel, or interact with your environment. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. These two parts work together seamlessly to control your body's every action. Understanding how your nervous system works is essential for appreciating the complexities of the human body. The central nervous system, or CNS, is the control center of your body. It's made up of the brain and spinal cord, which are protected by bones. The brain is like a powerful computer that processes information and makes decisions. It interprets sensory information, initiates movements, and controls emotions and thoughts. The spinal cord is a long bundle of nerves that runs down your back. It acts as a highway for messages between your brain and the rest of your body. The spinal cord also controls some reflexes, which are quick, automatic responses to stimuli. Together, the brain and spinal cord work together to coordinate all of your body's functions. They receive information from the environment and from within the body, process this information, and send out instructions to the muscles and glands. The peripheral nervous system, or PNS, is like a network of wires that connects the central nervous system to the rest of your body. Imagine it as a vast communication network that ensures every part of your body stays in sync with your brain and spinal cord. It consists of all the nerves that branch out from the brain and spinal cord. These nerves extend to the farthest reaches of your body, from your fingertips to your toes, ensuring that every part of you can communicate with the central nervous system. These nerves carry messages between the CNS and the muscles, organs, and sensory receptors throughout the body. They transmit signals that control everything from muscle contractions to the sensations of touch, pain, and temperature. The PNS is divided into two main parts: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Each of these systems has distinct roles and responsibilities in maintaining the body's functionality. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements like walking or reaching for an object. It allows us to perform deliberate actions and interact with our environment in a controlled manner. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary functions such as breathing, heart rate, and digestion. These are the automatic processes that keep us alive without conscious effort, ensuring our body functions smoothly. The PNS plays a crucial role in allowing us to interact with our environment and maintain homeostasis, the body's internal balance. It constantly adjusts our internal conditions to keep us stable and healthy. It relays sensory information to the brain, enabling us to perceive the world around us. This sensory input is essential for our survival, helping us respond to changes in our environment. It also carries out the brain's commands, controlling our movements and regulating our internal organs. This intricate system ensures that our body operates as a cohesive unit, responding to both internal and external stimuli efficiently. Neurons are the specialized cells that make up the nervous system. They are responsible for transmitting information throughout the body. Neurons have a unique structure that allows them to carry electrical and chemical signals over long distances. A neuron consists of a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. Dendrites are short branch-like extensions that receive signals from other neurons. The axon is a long, slender fiber that transmits signals away from the cell body. The axon is covered in a fatty substance called myelin, which acts as insulation and speeds up signal transmission. Neurons communicate with each other at junctions called synapses. When a signal reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters cross the synapse and bind to receptors on the dendrites of the next neuron, transmitting the signal. Reflex actions, automatic responses. Reflex actions are rapid, involuntary responses to stimuli that are essential for survival. These actions occur without conscious thought, protecting the body from harm. A classic example is the knee-jerk reflex. When a doctor taps your knee with a reflex hammer, it stretches the tendon below your kneecap. This stretch activates sensory receptors in the tendon, which send signals to the spinal cord via sensory neurons. In the spinal cord, the sensory neurons synapse directly with motor neurons. These motor neurons send signals back to the muscles in your thigh, causing them to contract and your leg to extend. Reflex actions allow the body to respond quickly to potentially dangerous situations. They bypass the brain, resulting in a much faster response time. Other examples of reflex actions include blinking, withdrawing your hand from a hot object, and coughing. Voluntary movements, taking charge. Unlike reflex actions, voluntary movements are movements that we consciously control. These movements involve a more complex pathway that includes the brain. When you decide to move your arm, the motor cortex in your brain sends signals down the spinal cord to the muscles in your arm. These signals travel through motor neurons, which release neurotransmitters at the neuromuscular junction, the synapse between a motor neuron and a muscle fiber. This triggers a series of events that ultimately leads to muscle contraction and movement. Voluntary movements allow us to interact with our environment in a purposeful way. They're essential for activities such as writing, playing sports, and speaking. The nervous system in everyday life. The nervous system is involved in every aspect of our daily lives, from the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep. It is the master controller of our body, orchestrating a symphony of functions that keep us alive and thriving. It controls our thoughts, emotions, movements, and senses. Whether you're pondering a complex problem, enjoying a hearty laugh, or simply moving around, your nervous system is at the helm. When you wake up in the morning, your nervous system sends signals to your heart to beat faster, preparing your body for the day ahead. It also instructs your lungs to breathe deeper, ensuring that your body gets the oxygen it needs to function optimally, and your muscles receive the necessary signals to help you get out of bed and start your day with energy and vigor. Throughout the day, your nervous system is constantly at work, allowing you to interact with your environment. It helps you to communicate, work, and socialize effectively. It helps you to focus your attention, process information, and make decisions. Whether you're concentrating on a task, jotting down notes, or making choices while shopping, your nervous system is your guide. It also controls your movements, allowing you to walk, talk, and use your hands. From a leisurely stroll in the park to a deep conversation or playing an instrument, your nervous system makes it all possible. Even when you are sleeping, your nervous system is still active, regulating your body temperature, heart rate, and breathing. It ensures that your body remains in a state of balance and readiness. It also plays a role in dreaming, a complex phenomenon that is not fully understood. Dreams can be vivid and surreal, and they are a testament to the incredible capabilities of the nervous system. Protecting your nervous system. Maintaining a healthy nervous system is crucial for overall health and well-being. Your nervous system controls everything from your thoughts and emotions to your movements and bodily functions. It's the communication network that keeps your body running smoothly. There are many things you can do to protect your nervous system, including eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. These lifestyle choices can have a profound impact on your nervous system's health and functionality. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides your nervous system with the nutrients it needs to function properly. Foods high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can help protect your neurons from damage and support overall brain health. Getting enough sleep is also essential for nervous system health, as it allows your brain to rest and repair itself. During sleep, your body works to heal and restore itself, which is vital for maintaining cognitive functions and emotional balance. Regular exercise improves blood flow to the brain, which can enhance cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurological disorders. Physical activity also releases endorphins, which can help to reduce stress and improve your mood. Avoiding alcohol, drugs, and smoking is also important for protecting your nervous system. These substances can have toxic effects on your neurons and disrupt the delicate balance of chemicals in your brain. These substances can damage neurons and increase the risk of neurological problems. Long-term use can lead to chronic conditions that are difficult to manage and can severely impact your quality of life. Additionally, wearing protective gear during sports and other activities can help to prevent head and spinal cord injuries. Helmets, pads, and other protective equipment are essential for reducing the risk of traumatic injuries that can have long-lasting effects on your nervous system. The nervous system essential for life. The nervous system is undoubtedly one of the most important systems in the human body. It controls and coordinates all of our bodily functions, allowing us to think, feel, move, and interact with the world around us. From the simple act of breathing to the complex process of learning and memory, the nervous system is involved in every aspect of our lives. Maintaining a healthy nervous system is essential for overall health and well-being. By understanding how the nervous system works, we can better appreciate the complexity and wonder of the human body. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.